Hey guys, so this time of year we're trying to be a little more health conscious. One of the things that I like to do is take something like a comforting thing, ranch dressing, and we're gonna make a lightened version of it. I'm gonna use some Greek yogurt, putting in a little bit of buttermilk, some fresh herbs and seasonings. It's really good, and I wanted to share it with you because it's a staple in my house and I wanna share it with you. So here we go. Here are the ingredients. We have a cup of Greek yogurt, which I love, a lot of protein, really nice tang, really thick and yummy in this dressing. 4 tablespoons of buttermilk. I have a tablespoon of freshly chopped dill. I'm also gonna do some freshly chopped Italian flat leaf parsley, not curly parsley. You wanna get the Italian flat leaf. I find that the curly parsley is mainly just for decoration, and when you're cooking, my opinion, Italian flat leaf. So then we're gonna do 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, not garlic salt, but powder. Okay, right on. Let's get our parsley chops. So I always like freshly chopped herbs. I actually haven't tried this recipe with dried herbs because I just always go fresh because that's what my mom was a broken record about as a kid. Freshly chopped herbs elevate meals. So that's what's become part of my psyche here. Okay. So this is going to be a tablespoon, and you want to cut pretty small because we're going to put it into a dressing, right? So we want it to be like pretty well minced. I put Italian flat leaf parsley on a lot of dishes. It's beautiful just as a topper. And also, as you guys know, I love having stuff prepped in my fridge, and Italian flat leaf parsley lasts kind of a long time. Whereas stuff like basil and dill goes bad quicker. So I like my workhorse ingredients that can hang with my prepped food in my fridge. Okay, so I need a tablespoon. 1 second. Okay, tablespoon. So with herbs, you don't want to pack it down. You just want to lightly fill your vessel that you're measuring with. Okay, there's our tablespoon. Now, this recipe's so easy, we're just gonna whisk everything together. I also have a little bit of water on the side to thin it out if I need to. So, let's do this. 1 cup Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt. I also love it because it's one protein my son eats, and he's really over eggs right now, which is not cool. So at least he eats Greek yogurt. So my fellow moms out there, when our kids are eating something, we love it, have it in the fridge. Okay, 4 tablespoons of buttermilk. 1 tablespoon of dill, 1 tablespoon of parsley, or seasoning. So we're gonna salt and pepper to taste. I'll just do a little bit now. And then let's whisk everything together. You guys, this smells so beautiful. Let's taste it. Bobby Flay taught me, if you're not tasting, you're not cooking. Just saying. Thanks, Bobby. That definitely is some salt and pepper. Okay. Oh my gosh, the tang. Oh, this is so good, guys. And now we can have ranch dressing and not feel guilty. Yay. Everything's mixed in here. We're also gonna add some lemon juice. Maybe half a lemon. Let's try. Again, you guys can, per your taste, lemon, salt, pepper, however you guys like. But lemon in a salad dressing is, especially something like this, really good. Okay, we're gonna mix all that in. I might not even need that water because this is looking pretty good. Okay, new tasting spoon. Oh, guys. Tangy. That is so good. Oh my goodness. Health conscious ranch dressing. Come on. Guys, this looks amazing. Let's get it into our container here and taste it. Whoa. Man, that looks so pretty. I can't wait to put that on a salad. Sure, why not? Let's try that. Guys, that's beautiful. I love that. Yay, lightened up ranch dressing. Let me know how you like it. Thanks for hanging out. See you guys next time. I think I might need to go make a salad now. Yum, let's do this.